Welcome back to Journey to Nailed. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining this journey with me. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a fill-in with some nail repairs. The nail repairs, I'm going to be using nail forms instead of nail tips just to challenge myself a little bit. If you've been on my channel for a little while, you know that I specialize in hard gel and structured gel. So I'm trying to refamiliarize myself with acrylic. And while doing that, you're going to see that I use smaller beads than average. So that's just what's working for me right now as I refamiliarize myself with acrylic again. And the acrylic system I'm using is Mia Secret. I'm using their monomer as well as their clear acrylic. Once you remove those nail forms, you're going to be left with something a little wonky, but that is totally okay. There's nothing a little filing can't fix. The hand file I'm going to be using is a 80 grit on both sides, and you want to make sure that you file down your sidewalls to your desired look, as well as bevel down the top of that nail so that you have a smooth finish. Once everything is filed and buffed to our desired look, I'm just going to spray my nails with some 99% alcohol just to clarify them and remove some more of that dust. And this is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you on my next one.